Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Tewari. I'm thrilled to talk to you about Google Cloud Backup and Disaster Recovery. I run the Google Cloud Backup and DR product here at Google and thrilled to work with you as customers. In today's day and age, the data that you have inside your organization is critical to the success of that organization. How you protect the data, how you secure it from malware, from malicious actors, and being able to get access to the data in the uneventful case of a ransomware attack is vital to the success of your business. When we talk to customers, they tell us of certain key capabilities that they need from a product that enables them to back up their particular data. Here's what we learned. First, customers' data resides in multiple different products. It resides in VMs, it resides in databases, it resides in file systems. And so when customers think about backup, they don't want a siloed approach to that backup. They want a consistent way to be able to centrally manage their backup across all these types of locations where their data may reside. Second, they want lower total cost of ownership because this data over time can add up. You also do not want high recovery points. That means the points at which you take backup should be frequent enough so that in the case of recovery, you have a granular way to be able to recover your data. Next, when you actually are trying to recover data, you want a very quick recovery time for that particular data. You should be able to do it in minutes to hours as opposed to days and weeks. And lastly, customers tell us that they don't want multiple tools to manage compliance for backup, etc. They want a single tool that does this for them. Now, to solve that, I introduce to you Google Cloud Backup and Disaster Recovery. It's a product that builds on the acquisition of Actifio that we completed in December 2020. And its rollout has started now for you to be able to get at before the end of September. It's a product that provides you a central way to manage a broad spectrum of the workloads that you bring to GCP, or you are running in your on-premises environment but store the data in GCP. So for both hybrid and in GCP workloads, we have a product that provides that functionality to you. By way of the how we actually back up, we provide you low RPO and a very low total cost of ownership because of the incredibly efficient way we store the data when we move it to our storage. The technology is designed to give you quick recovery access to your data, thereby lowering your RTOs. And lastly, regardless of what you're trying to accomplish, whether you're trying to recover from a data corruption loss, or you're trying to do disaster recovery, or you have unfortunately been hit by a ransomware attack and you're trying to get your business back up, we offer a single solution that you can use across all these use cases. Let's talk a little bit about how we actually accomplish this. First and foremost, in order to reduce your total cost of ownership, we take backups in an incremental manner all the time. That means we don't have to take full backups. We take it only once. And after that, we are just incrementally backing up that data. That is an incredibly efficient way to store the data, which reduces your total cost of ownership. By virtue of the deep integration that we have with applications, we can actually take application-aware backups, whether it's VMware VMs, GCE VMs, or various different databases that we support. But the deep integration enables us to get highly granular backups, which provide low RPU to you as customers. On the recovery side, even though we actually take incremental backups, We are incredibly efficient when it comes for us to be able to offer recovery to that data for you. We can actually create virtual clones of databases, making it available to your developers and testers to be able to use that data. And lastly, in the event that you do get hit by a ransomware attack, you want the ability to very quickly look at various different restore points and identify the one that does not actually have the malware signature in it. By our low RTO mechanism, it's incredibly efficient for you to be able to do this scan quickly, thereby restore your business to quick full operations after the unfortunate event of a ransomware attack. So let's see this product in action. This is the familiar Google Cloud Console. And as you can see in the drop-down menu under the operations section, you see the backup and disaster recovery product. On clicking that, you actually come to a centralized console, which allows you to deploy your management console and additional recovery appliances as you need them in the regions that you need them. Now let's take a look at what the management console experience for this product looks like. This is the dashboard for that centralized experience. Here you can see that the identity that I used to log in to my Google Cloud Console carries forward with you. That means you have a central place for managing your identity and access control because of the deep integration that we have into Google Cloud. This is also the central place which shows you the management of a variety of different applications that you can use to provide policy-based backup to. Let's take a look at the various different types of workloads that we support. You can imagine your customers as customers, you have workloads on VMware VMs, on the GCE Compute Engine VMs, and across a wide variety of databases ranging from SAP HANA, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. This shows you the incredible breadth of capabilities that we have to provide you a consistent backup functionality across multiple different products that your data may reside in. Let's continue the conversation about how this has impacted our customers. This was the situation of these customers in the global FSI industry, in the healthcare industry, and the global transportation business on how long it took for them to recover in the event of a restoration that's required. After the introduction of Google Cloud Backup and DR into these businesses, this is what those numbers look like. As you can see, it's orders of magnitude better from where they were before. This is the power that Google Cloud Backup and Disaster Recovery brings to you as customers. To end, I would like to talk about and remind you, Google Cloud Backup and Disaster Recovery is one service that enables you a centralized backup management functionality across a broad spectrum of workloads. It enables you to build disaster recovery plans, enables you to recover from the unfortunate event of ransomware attacks, and utilize the data that you have in these silos to be able to offer test sets to your developers and testers. We are thrilled to bring you Google Cloud Backup and DR and look forward to working with you as customers. Thank you.